Welcome back. Mormugao Port Trust has registered the highest growth rate among all the major Indian ports during the first half of fiscal 2014-15. The chairman of MPT, Cyril George, says that business-friendly attitude of the port has yielded best results. George says MPT will prepare its master plan, keeping interest of local fishermen in mind.
I am very glad to announce that MPT stands first among all major ports in terms of growth rate for the first half of 2014-15. MPT registered 22.29% growth during the first half of the financial year as compared to Ennore Port, which registered 16.01, and Tuticorin Port Trust registered the third position with 10.11%. Out of 6.3 million tons of cargo, we handled exports of 1.46 million and import constitutes 4.85 million. Pro business friendly attitude we are following. Because of that, we are able to attract many new cargoes. The Government of India has announced a lot of schemes and a policy framework for developing coastal movement of ship. We have taken certain initiatives to promote coastal movement of containers from Goa to JNPT. The main problem of MPT is, I already mentioned, lack of backup area and problems connected with evacuation. But taking care of the interest of the fishermen and providing an area and providing facilities to them, we are making the master plan. So we will take care of the interest of the fishermen.
Meanwhile, District Administration South had organized a mock drill at Zuarinagar on Wednesday. District Administration of South had created a scene of ammonia leakage at Zuari factory based at Birla.
अमोनिया का लीकेज हुआ है, ये सीन यहाँ पे क्रिएट किया गया है. उसमें जुआरी की जो सेफ्टी टीम है, उनकी सेफ्टी सिस्टम जो है, वो खुद उसको कंटेन करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो इनिशियली कंटेन नहीं हो पाता है, तो वो ऑफ साइट इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर करते हैं.
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Wagh has demanded immediate repair of Government Primary School of Kurka. He has asked Education Minister Manohar Parrikar to look into the matter. The wooden ceiling of the school building had collapsed last week, making it inconvenient for the teachers and students to use the school premises. Vishnu has expressed discontent with the Education Department for neglecting the school repairs and maintenance.
हे बिल्डिंगेचे सगळे वुडन रुफिंग आहा जे पाटयो हो अख्खो पाटयांचो करणारो ढासळून सकयल पडलो आनी तो डायरेक्ट भुरगीं जे बांकाचेर बसतात त्या बांकाचेर आनी टिचर जंय शिकयता थंय त्या मेजाचेर सगळो पडलो. पूण पळयात की शुक्राराक ही घटना हेका आयली, उक्ताडाक आयली आनी आयज बुधवार चलता तरी हो मेरेन अजुनूय हेचे डॅब्रीज अशें हांगा पडना. सगळो पाटयो तश्यो आसात, बांक तेजे बरें शिड्डले तशे आसात, टेबलां मोडलेलीं तशी आहा, कांयच अजून हालो ना. आनी हाजे वयल्यान डिपार्टमेंट आमचें कितल्या संत गतीन चलता तें लक्षांत येता. हांव मागणी करता की आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हे शिक्षण मंत्री आसात, तेणी हांगा बेगीन लक्ष दिवपा जाय.
Our Lady of Rosary Church got the water supply after a long wait of 25 years. It was a demand from the parishioners of Kurka as the church did not have water supply.
पूण अंदू म्हाका लोकांनी रिक्वेस्ट केली सगळ्या पॅरिशनरांनी की तांणी येवन सांगलें की आमकां कशें जाल्यार उदक दियात. 25 वर्सांची आमची डिमांड आहा ती अजून पुरी जाल्ली ना. आमी सांगलें की 12 ऑक्टोबराक इगर्जेचें फेस्त आहा ताच्या पयलीं तुमकां उदका पुरवण दिता. पूण सरप्रायझिंगली वॉटर सप्लाय डिपार्टमेंटाच्या ऑफिसरांनी इतलें फास्ट काम केलें आनी इतले बेगीन सगळे तांणी फॉर्मेलिटी कंप्लीट केल्यो की 27 सप्टेंबराकच हांगा उदकाची तांणी पुरवण दिली.
Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
For the first time, Goa University has elected a non-political union of postgraduates. Goa University's Postgraduate Students' Union was elected on Tuesday. The group of students under the banner of Together for University won the election. The union has stressed on the woman empowerment. By electing a woman union president, the union has assured to fulfill the promises listed in the manifesto.
पुलीस पेट्रोलिंग दवरपाचें कॅम्पसान अशें भयान तरी भोंवपाक जायना भुरग्यांनी एक सेक्युरिटी आसपाक जाय आनी एक म्हणल्यार गर्ल्स हॉस्टेलान हेल्थ सेंटर आसा हांगा पूण एक रेजिडेंशियल डॉक्टर दवरचो ज्या खातीर जी भुरगीं हॉस्टेलान रावता तांकां रातची समज मेडिकल एमर्जन्सी आसा जाल्यार तांकां फर्स्ट एड तरी मेळपाचें हांगा आनी ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनाक सुद्दां जेन्ना भुरगीं पणजेच्यान युनिवर्सिटी कडेन येता जावं
युनिवर्सिटीच्या भुरग्यांक सगळ्यांक एक घेवन एक नवें पॅनल करचें टुगेदर फॉर युनिवर्सिटी आनी हें इलेक्शन झगडचें की एक युनिवर्सिटीच्या भुरग्यांक एक लिडरशीप म्हणून क्वॉलिटी जावन एक लिडरशीप भायर सरो गोंयचे खातीर नॉट फ्रॉम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बट इंडिविज्युअल आयडेंटिटी करपाक भायर सरचें आनी स्टुडंट्साचे इश्यू घेवपाक
जे भुरग्यांचे डिमांड आसा जे भुरग्यांचे इश्यूज आसा ते एडमिनिस्ट्रेशना कडेन पावोवपाक जाय दिस इज नॉट अ गव्हर्मेंट बॉडी ऑर अ कॉपरेटीव बॉडी दिस इज अ forefront of a student struggle.
Government of India has raised the weight ceiling on the employees' deposit-linked insurance from 6,500 to 15,000 rupees. Also, minimum pension has been enhanced to 1,000 rupees. Maximum pension will also increase from 3,200 to 7,500 rupees. Central government will contribute an additional 2,500 crore to 3,000 crore as its share in the EPS. Union Minister of Home Affairs for States Kiran Rijiju informed this at the Pensioners Felicitation Program in Sahkar Sankul in Panjim.
जो आपका एम्प्लॉयज प्रोविडेंट फंड स्कीम में एक सीलिंग था अब 6,000 रुपीज 6,500 से 15,000 तो हमने सीलिंग का उसको लिमिट को हमने भाग 15,000 आप उसका आप देखिए टोटल इसमें और द इंक्रीज वेज सेविंग मीन्स मंथली पेंशन बेनिफिट विल इंक्रीज फ्रॉम रुपीज 3,250 to 7,500 अब कितना उसका इजाफा हुआ है कितना जंप हुआ है उसके अलावा आपका जो है इम्प्लॉयज डिपॉजिट लिंक जो इंश्योरेंस स्कीम है उसमें आपका 1,30,000 से 3,60,000 जंप हुआ मोर देन डबल आपको इतना बड़ा भारत सरकार की ओर से ये फैसला हुआ है.
Goa government too plans to bring change in the labour laws.
This government is very keen on changing many of the labour laws so that there is easiness in the industry as well as the labour get proper justice.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.